Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of requesting a refund on Google Play. Whether you accidentally purchased an app, game, or in-app item, we've got you covered. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Start by opening the Google Play Store app on your device. Step 2. Access your account. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payments and Subscriptions. In the menu that appears, select Payments and Subscriptions. This section will allow you to view your purchase history. Step 4. View Purchase History. Tap on Budget and History. Here, you will see a list of all your recent purchases. Step 5. Identify the item for refund. Locate the item for which you want to request a refund. Click on the item to open its detailed view. Step 6. Request a refund. Select the refund option. Google Play will prompt you to confirm your request and may ask for a reason for the refund. Step 7. Fill out the refund form. If prompted, fill out any necessary information required for your refund request. Be sure to provide detailed reasons as to why you are requesting a refund. Step 8. Submit your request. Once you've completed the form, submit your request. You should receive a confirmation email from Google Play regarding the status of your refund. Step 9. Wait for the response. Typically, Google Play will process your refund request within a few hours, but it may take longer in some cases. Keep an eye on your email for any updates. Step 10. Check refund status. If you do not receive a response, you can revisit the Payments and Subscriptions section to check your refund status. Thank you for following along with our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more guides and tips.